Hi everyone, today is September 25th, 2021 at 7:37 p.m. Eastern Time. And we have a 1988 Holmes Air 12-inch desk fan. As I picked up at Goodwill over the summer of 2021 for, I think it was like $5, something like that. Can't remember now, honestly. It works really well. All of a sudden it developed a rattling sound, which I don't know why. Now, if you look back on my video from 2014 or 15, I had this exact same fan. What happened to that one? The motor burned out. And I never found another one since. I've always wanted the pedestal version of this, but can't find that one either. But, yeah. So, the knob's on the back of the motor. It's on high right now. I'm gonna drop it down to medium. That's medium. Let that go for a second. And we'll drop it down to low. Bring it back to medium again. Bring it back to high. Wait a second. There we go. Don't particularly like the knob on the back of the motor, just for that reason. But yeah. Make it steady. And we'll turn it off. This fan I forgot to add in the video I did this morning of end of fan season video. So here it is now. Bye-bye, everyone.